Now see the difference with Tineco Pure 1S12, the smart cordless vacuum cleaner. From a functional device to an intelligent one, Pure 1S12 has pioneered vacuum technology and solved consumer pain points for most vacuum cleaners, allowing for smarter, deeper, quieter, and longer cleans.
The first time I met Pure 1S12, and I'm absolutely hooked. It's so well designed, chic, and techy. The materials are solid too. It feels pretty handy. The suction power is awesome, and the battery is so impressive too. The AI-powered technology really makes cleaning a no-brainer. Strange as it may seem, I think I started to enjoy vacuuming with the Pure 1S12.
Smart vacuum cleaners are the future trends for all households. With only one trigger to activate, Pure 1S12 requires an easy and convenient setup.
It's truly a blessing to see a smart cordless vacuum cleaner with so many good features. What matters the most for a working mom like me is that it's easy and convenient and really helpful. And Pure 1 does the job. I only need to push the trigger and everything else is on him. Leaves no trouble behind. It's also a lot quieter than any other vacuum. Pure 1 has really fascinated me and even my kids. Now cleaning has become a pleasure for my entire family.
Messes just happen. That's why the Hoover Linx Signature Cordless is the go-to vacuum for those everyday messes. Just grab and go to clean on hard floors, or even on carpets whenever you need it. The Linx Signature makes it easier than ever to keep up with the mess, no matter when it happens. Perfect for the days in between the deep cleans. The Hoover Linx Signature Cordless Vacuum. The Hoover Cruise Cordless UltraLight Vacuum makes it easy to tackle life's everyday messes. A removable hand vac and a variety of tools get you to the mess, no matter where it is. So go up, down, and all around with the Hoover Cruise Cordless Vacuum.
For life's everyday messes, Kenmore is there to help clean them up. Introducing the Kenmore Elite Complete Super Stick Vacuum, a powerful and lightweight cordless vacuum that easily converts from stick vac to a handheld to tackle your toughest household messes. Included are 2 specialized cleaning nozzles, a microfiber brush for bare floors, and a dual bristle brush with dirt sensor for carpets. Both nozzles swivel and recline to make cleaning under furniture a breeze. Plus, the innovative Easy Cut feature keeps the carpet brush tangle-free. At 6 pounds, this lightweight vacuum includes a variety of attachments, so you can clean almost anywhere. The telescoping wand can extend up to 29 inches to comfortably reach overhead, while the under appliance tool helps clean those tight spaces below. And the Pet PowerMates motorized brush easily lifts away stubborn pet hair from upholstery. When it comes to storage, the complete Super Stick Vac includes a charging and docking station to keep attachments organized and easy to find. There's even a portable battery pack for added flexibility and convenience. The Kenmore Elite Complete Super Stick Vacuum, a 3-in-1 cordless vac designed to clean from floor to ceiling and everything in between. Kenmore, be amazing.
Busy has become a new way of living, so we invented a smarter way of cleaning. Introducing the BLACK+DECKER 2-in-1 cordless stick and hand vacuum with smart tech sensing features. AutoSense helps you power through your cleaning by automatically adjusting suction from bare floors to thick carpet, so you get more power when you need it and longer battery life too. Battery Sense shows you how much battery remains, so you know how much longer you can clean before you need to recharge. And Filter Sense alerts you when it's time to clean the filter, so you continue to get maximum performance. The BLACK+DECKER 2-in-1 cordless stick and hand vacuum with Smart Tech is super convenient for those hard-to-reach spots and those easy-to-miss places. With a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, you can move from room to room without the hassle of a cord. The BLACK+DECKER 2-in-1 cordless stick and hand vacuum with Smart Tech sensing features is affordable and now available at your favorite stores. Clean smarter, not harder.